In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a border in Notion. Notion doesn't have a traditional add border button, but there's a simple built-in way to get a clean border effect using a callout block. This gives you a tidy vertical line and a subtle background that frames your content, perfect for highlighting notes, reminders, or important sections in your page. Start by placing your cursor exactly where you want the bordered area to appear. Open Notion's command menu by typing a /. As soon as the menu pops up, begin typing the word callout. You'll see the callout block appear in the results. Click on callout to insert it into your page. Notion will drop in a ready-made block with an icon, a light background, and that slim line on the left, which works as your border. With the block in place, add your content. Click inside the callout and type your text. Keep sentences focused so the bordered area stays clean and readable. The callout is flexible enough for short labels like key takeaway, or for a full paragraph if you're emphasizing a summary or an important instruction. Think of this as your framed section. Whatever you put here will naturally stand out from the rest of the page. Next, let's fine-tune the look so the border matches your style. Hover over the callout to reveal its controls and click the grid style icon to open the block menu. From there, choose color. This is where you control both tone and emphasis. Pick a background color that complements your page, lighter backgrounds. Keep the border effect subtle and professional, while stronger colors draw more attention if you're highlighting a warning or a deadline. As you cycle through colors, notice how the left border line and the background shift to create different levels of contrast. If you prefer an even lighter touch, choose a gentle background that maintains readability. Make sure your text remains easy to scan. Good contrast is key, especially if you're presenting long notes. Consistency also helps. Reuse the same color for similar types of callouts so your readers quickly understand what each border means at a glance. And that's it. By using a callout block, typing your content, and adjusting the color, you've created a clean, customizable border in Notion. It's quick, it looks polished, and it works beautifully across your pages. Try it on your next project section, checklist header, or summary box to keep your workspace organized and clear.